Welcome to Cartoon Wonderland. Today we're transforming your favorite cartoon characters into adorable puppies using AI. Get ready for some cute and exciting transformations. Tom becomes a super puppy. Jerry transforms into a super puppy. Mr. Krabs changes into a super puppy. SpongeBob races in as a super puppy. Mickey Mouse transforms into a super puppy. Bugs Bunny pops in as a super puppy. Scooby-Doo turns into a super puppy. The Simpsons transforms into super puppies. Fred Flintstone becomes a super puppy. Yogi Bear morphs into a super puppy. Dora becomes a super puppy. Ben 10 transforms into a super puppy. Pikachu electrifies as a super puppy. Shrek changes into a super puppy. Winnie the Pooh turns into a super puppy. Mordecai becomes a super puppy. Rigby transforms into a super puppy. Phineas becomes super puppies. Ferb becomes super puppies. Arthur morphs into a super puppy. Pink Panther transforms into a super puppy. Tasmanian Devil spins in as a super puppy. Yosemite Sam becomes a super puppy. Masha turns into a super puppy. Minions transform into super puppies. Lucky Luke becomes a super puppy. Garfield changes into a super puppy. Mario transforms into a super puppy. Johnny Bravo flexes as a super puppy. Popeye becomes a super puppy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI cartoon transformations. See you next time.